2 washers, ground out these in 4 corners of the round washers. I took 2 nuts. This is all stuff that fits on this rod. And I ground the nuts down and made them square. I put the 2 washers. Okay, so I put 1 nut on the rod, then the 2 washers, then the other nut. Then basically have a washer that looks like an X. So I bent the 4 wings back over the first nut, snug the next nut up, tighten down slid the next washer up, tighten down the next square nut against the first set. Tighten it down just enough so it was snug, and then bent the wings back over the second square nut. And I had to make sure that they fit into the square tubing and wouldn't turn. So that was the whole purpose of the square, and then the locking them in with the washers. After some trial and error, got that right. Got the washers and the nuts in here, and make sure they would turn easy. I put some anti-seize on the rod just so to help it not to wind up. So, to make this end movable, I had to secure that nut assembly. I did that with a large cotter pin. So the way I did that, took a big cotter pin, opened it up, made it more U-shaped, and then I shoved the cotter pin through the holes in the tubing, right in the middle of the nut assembly between the 2 washers, and then tightened it, twisted it down, and so far that seems to be working. The part I'm not happy with is on the movable end with the small tubing and the L bracket. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not keeping a perfect right angle here, and I even put a shim in here trying to keep it more, but it's spreading a little bit. The bigger end is doing better. It's maybe got a slight spread to it, but not much at all. So the way this thing works, okay, so I've got my limbs up in here. I've got a lip on the top. I did have to take my string stop off on the cam end. To allow that to fit in there. And then these adapters I also will swap if I need to make it closer together. I can swap positions and it'll put them closer together. So the only thing I have to fix now is the little bit of spreading on this rod here, which I think if I shim this up some more, that'll probably do it. But see, I got this handle here, give it a few twists, and my strings are loose. So mission accomplished. We got a successful homemade bow press. Thanks for watching.